Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can get Metro Bank on your mobile phone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead and open up the App Store. Go to search bar, type in Metro Bank. Metro Bank mobile banking service, and then simply go ahead and tap on this option of double click and Face ID scan. Wait till this little blue circle is complete, and then it will automatically simply install and download at the same time. Then it's done being downloaded and installed, tap on this open option, and there we go. Our app is ready to be used, and that is it. So that's how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in the next video.